gorgeous, hope you're doing well. Welcome into another video. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Chelsea. So today I am doing a hair review. This hair is from aliqueen hair. The hair is Remy Virgin 4x4 HD lace closure, 18 inches and is 150 density. It came with a strap, extra strap.
Over the park and a few bright stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate.
The shipping to US is free and some other parts is free. And that is the hair. Came with some combs. An adjustable strap. The texture of the hair is very soft. There is no smell to the hair. Comb easily and the color is black. This wig, I tried to do it without applying glue, no gel. I just installed the hair like that. It's very easy to install, and I like the softness of the wig. It combs so easily. The texture is very soft and no tangle, and it doesn't shade. I'm so happy having this hair.
A few bright stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all.
So to install the hair, firstly I spray. This is a body spray made for skin, something like that. You can also use foundation, you can use loose powder as well of your skin tone. So all I did is just to cut the excess lace from it. By the way, this video is sponsored by aliqueen hair. Thank you aliqueen hair for sponsoring this video. If it is your first time here, you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button, join the gorgeous family and that bell icon so that you don't miss videos like this from me. Moreover, this wig is of high quality and is affordable. So I'm going to leave the link to the wig on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. And some other wigs they have on their website. They have so many wigs on their website, so you can choose from there. The direct link that will take you straight to their website. If you're interested, just head down to the description box and you will see the link there. So that is it. You see, you can pattern the hair from every angle. You see, with the body spray I use on it, you see that it's just like my skin tone. And you can put it by the side corner, a side part. You can do middle part, you can do even more lower part. So to lay down those flying hairs, I use this stick whatever, I forgot the name they call it. I'm going to leave it on the description box. So all the products I use for this hair review will be listed down below, so don't hesitate to check that out. So that is all I did. Like I said, the hair is very simple, very soft, and you can re-dye this hair if you want to change the color. If you don't like black, you can change the color. You can re-dye it from black to gold to blonde to yellow to green, whatever color of your choice. And if you want to re-dye it back to black, you can as well do that, and the hair is not going to lose its quality in as much as you use conditioner. Whenever you change the color, make sure you take care of the hair very well and it will remain the same. Like I said, there was nothing like shedding. You can see me combing it with hot comb. It combs so smoothly. You see the hair is very smooth. Unlike some hair, by the time you comb it, then they just look somehow, but this one is so smooth. You can see. All I will tell you about this hair is affordable and is of high quality. So I'm going to leave the details about the hair on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. and the hair resist heat. You see I'm using this hair straightener just to straighten the hair, you see, and the hair shine. You can see the shine and the hair is bouncing. And I still want to let you know that you can coil this hair if you want to coil it. If you want to Babyliss this hair, you are free to do whatever thing you want to do with this hair. There is no shaking. Okay guys, with all that being said about this gorgeous hair, let me leave you guys to watch this video to the end. Please watch it to the end, and if you like this video, support your girl by clicking on that like button. And please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, if you like it here, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. So that is it. I will leave you guys to watch to the end, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah. I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah. I can finally start over, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be.